Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live session here now for binary option for pocket option. If you did not see this live session, probably you did not turn off the bell notification, or maybe you're not even subscribed to my channel. So make sure you subscribe, then turn the bell of notification so you never lose a live session from me again. Also, I do give away a super account for pocket option. You find the link below the video and information about it. Basically, I give 60% of my own affiliate income back to you as form of cashback that you receive every single Monday. Okay, so it's a small money that you receive every time you do a trade that would go to me, but I give it back to you. Okay, so it works like that. And also, of course, you get 50% on your first deposit. All is automatically by using the link you find below the video. Okay, now, did we make money today? Well, let's see. Also, I will show you how I'm trading and how you can follow me in future live sessions. So basically what I'm doing, I put up some lines. I put lines in support and resistance, like for example here is a perfect area that I would have traded. So if this bar would come down to this green line down here, we basically just pushed up higher, okay? The same if you're trading in the top, I can mark that also. Basically will be like this. I will put a line on top. Let's say this was a beautiful area. Then I will make that one red. And if it's an area I'm just following and I want to see more test or something on the line, I make it blue. Then we are not trading on it. So red, lower, green, higher, blue, just following. It's very easy to follow. So now, did we make money today? Sadly, today we had a 50% win rate. So we can go here now to check the trades. You can see here is all the trades we did. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades today. And you can see 8 trades there, 50% win rate, and we lost $36. I will consider that a 0 day because it's so small as a trade with $100. And yes, you have the option, you can cancel trades. I personally just save it up to a rainy day. So I think now I can cancel many $1,000 if I want to. But you could, for example, if I canceled one trade here now, basically this will be a profit day instead. So it's something that you can consider, and that cool thing with this broker that you will be able to cancel trades you're doing. But when you join my live session, you can just open a demo account. So you see, I'm using a real account here, but you can also use demo account. Start with that in the start, see if you manage to follow, see if you manage to make money with me, and then you can start with a real account later on. So good idea, okay? So with that, I really hope I see you in my live sessions tomorrow. I have basically 2 of them. So follow, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn off the bell notification, and then join me on my 2 live sessions tomorrow. Have an amazing day.